In this lecture, we will test the pizza store class. To do that, right click on this package, say new class, call it test with a main method, finish. Do a Control D to delete it. Create an instance of the pizza store. PS is equal to new pizza store. PS dot order a pizza within double quotes. I want a veggie pizza. If you are a meat lover, go for the chicken pizza. Run it, right click, do a run as Java application. And you see it is preparing a veggie pizza, baking the veggie pizza, and cutting the veggie pizza. Now if I change this to chicken, you should see the chicken in the output, preparing a chicken pizza, baking it, and cutting it. So in the pizza store, we are handling the instantiation of the appropriate pizza type based on the type that is passed in. We are not simply focusing on the logic or the methods, but we are also instantiating it, which we will be moving to the factory class in the next lecture. So the factory class will take the instantiation responsibility away so that the pizza store can simply focus on the logic that needs to be executed instead of object creation.